Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Adeola Balogun's residence in Lawrenceville, Georgia. I'm currently standing on the front slope. Today we're going to be removing a damaged shingle, and we're going to be replacing it with a new shingle. As you can tell by the looks of this slope right here, you have some severe granule loss. You have wind damage, creased, torn, or missing shingles on this slope. You do have some individual shingle repairs that have clearly failed. But I'm gonna let you guys follow along while I repair this shingle right here. As you can tell, the shingle tab ends right here and right here, making it these three tabs. I'm gonna put you guys down on my cushion and let you guys follow along. That is the shingle we'll be replacing it with. Here's an overview before we start. As you can see, all of the shingles are still sealed down, I guess, except for the damaged shingle. I'll go ahead and start this repair for y'all. Let me get you angled. That way you guys can see all of the shingles involved. Alrighty, guys. Here's the damaged shingle. So as you can see, completely sealed down, now unsealed. So that's probably why we have so much wind damage up here. The sealant is failing on these shingles due to constant exposure to heat and the elements. I'll show you guys again. Completely sealed, unsealed, unsealed, completely sealed down. Oh, that corner's a little bit up. This one's completely sealed, unsealed. Now, you guys want to look at these shingles and how thin they are and brittle. Here's a good shot of that. Okay, this nail doesn't want to come out. Didn't use the right size nails on this roof. Got 2 nails under this shingle, guys. As you can tell, these are not 1.25" nails. It's a little bit smaller. Shingle should just slide out now. Put the new shingle in for you. Alrighty, new shingle is in place, guys. Here's an overview. Now, as you can tell, this slope was not affected by this repair. Now, if I were to lightly rub my hands across these shingles, you can tell there are no loose granules coming off. Well, let's just do it on the same slope okay. Let's do it on the same slope. So same scenario. If I rub my hands across these shingles, because these shingles are a little bit more worn than the front slope, you can see there are no loose granules, no granules come off. Now, during this repair, these 2 rows of shingles had to be manipulated in order to get this new shingle in. Now, if I were to do the same motion on these shingles, or the next windstorm, rain, any kind of inclement weather comes through, it's gonna knock these loose granules off of these shingles. Now, as you can see, if I do the same motion with my hand across these shingles, you can see all the loose granules that come off. Now, you can see in several areas where these shingles have now creased all the way across the top. It's a little hard to see in this shadow. I'll go ahead and chalk it up for you guys. That way you guys can get a better look. Thank you for your consideration.